Hi, this is a one of cool and useful video from my channel. Now I'm going to teach you how to make your signature in digital using Photoshop with easy few steps. Okay. Let's get started. First sign in the white paper and take a clear photograph on that. Then after opening that image through the Photoshop, open the crop tool. And crop the signature. Go to Channels. Select Channel Red because it is the highest contrast between your signature and the white paper. Go to Image. Select the curves under the adjustments. Hold the Alt key and take the slider on the right to the left to the point where the details around the signature go away. Other slider also need to take on the left to the right as same earlier, just to the point where you begin to see these black artifacts. Click OK. Hold the Control button and click on the thumbnail of the red channel because it selects the white area. Then press Ctrl or Command, Shift and I to invert the selection. Click on the layers. Double-click on the background layer to convert it as a normal layer. Then turn it off and create a solid color to change to any of color you want. And finally there is your digital signature with transparent background. Now you can save this as a PNG or JPG. Then look at how this plays on the sample of Office ID. The main benefit is here, you can adjust the signature color anytime as you wish. I think these steps make you more convenience in daily works. Please subscribe on me and hit the like and notification button to get latest updates of Photoshop trick from me.